We've been very conservative, bringing her back off her layoff, and Mr. Porter told me to take my time with her, and I did, and we had a nice conservative program for her, and so she's been brought along slowly but surely. Came in fine, settled in really, really fast, and went to the track this morning and jogged a mile and stood up in the gate. She's a lot bigger and stronger, and I think that she's a horse that can make the transition from 3 to 4. We'll find out soon enough on Saturday. It's always nice if Rick could be here. But the facts and circumstances say that he won't be here, but he'll be watching, and we do the best job that we can.